In this video, we are going to see how we can switch from Zoho Inventory to Zoho Books pack. Because as you can see that when we activated the Zoho Inventory, we are able to see a different interface with a lot of different details or advanced details about the inventory, but we are not getting this banking and other accounts option where we can manage the chart of accounts. So basically we are in a different app, which is a Zoho Inventory. So to switch to Zoho Accounts or Zoho Books, what we can do is just click on the gear icon of settings from the top right corner, and from here just scroll all the way down to integrations and marketplace, and there we need to select accounting. And from here we see this Zoho Books option. Just click on access Zoho Books. It might take some time to load that interface, and now we are back in Zoho Books where we see these details of our existing company. So that's how you do it. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.